In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the price on Vinted. If you've listed an item and it isn't getting the attention you'd hoped for, a small price adjustment can make a big difference. I'll walk you through the exact path on the website and share a few quick tips to help you make smart pricing choices without overcomplicating the process. Start by opening your browser and going to vinted.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your listings and make changes. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the profile icon. Click that to open your account menu. From there, choose the profile option. This takes you to your personal space where your items for sale are listed. Scroll down your profile to find the listing you want to adjust. Take a moment to double check the item title and photos so you're editing the correct one. When you see the right item, click on it to open the full listing page. Here, you can review the current details, including the price, description, and any attributes you've added. Next, click Edit Listing. This will open the edit screen where you can change the information associated with your item. Scroll down until you find the price field. Before you change it, consider what buyers see. Many shoppers filter by price, so even a small reduction can help your item appear in more searches. Think about common thresholds. Dropping just below a round number, like from 20 to 19, can make it more attractive. Now reduce your price to the new amount you're comfortable with. Be strategic. Align the price with the item's condition, brand, and current demand. If similar items are selling for less, a competitive adjustment can help you stand out. Also, keep your shipping preferences and any platform fees in mind so you still meet your target earnings. If you're unsure, make a modest change first and see how interest improves. When you're satisfied with the new price, click Save. Give the page a moment to update, and then revisit your listing to confirm the change has been applied correctly. It's a good idea to refresh the page and check how the new price appears to potential buyers. That's it. You've successfully reduced the price of your item on Vinted. Revisit your listings periodically, make thoughtful adjustments rather than frequent drastic changes, and keep an eye on views and favorites to gauge whether your pricing is working. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!